Hello everyone, I am welcoming you all once again to this channel. In our molecular dynamics setup series, we have seen various things, and first we have started generating the force field file for any neutral molecule using our LickPargen software, and there we have used one Python script which will convert various input files to the force field file, and later we have also generated the input files for LAMMPS and for GROMACS using the same FFTool, and but all these thing we did up to now is for the neutral molecule where we don't have any charge on the molecule or on any atom. So what if we want to have a cation and anionic structure, like a structure having a positive charge and structure having a negative charge, then how to deal with that structure? Today we will see that. So here I have this this is a blog post and the name is get the parameters of OPLS AA force field and set up a MD simulation for LAMMPS. So here you can see various such things are available, and I am mainly interested here like if you have an ionic liquids in your system, you don't need to do the first two steps, like whatever the steps are given, like usual steps that we already did, like we have the PDB files, then convert that to the force field file, and then you can change the parameter or you can create anything like that. But here if you have the ionic liquids in your system, you don't need to do the first two steps. You just copy the coordinates and il.ff file from here, and okay, so first here I am going to open this il.ff, like il is for this ionic liquid. So what is that? So here you can see that various files has been opened now, and we are interested to check this il.ff. So here I am clicking on this. So as you can see that this is a very long script which contains various kind of information. So the first is, you can see that in the atom section it started with the alkyl groups OPLSA, then aromatic groups, then the side chain imidazolium, so ammonium, pyrrolidinium. So various structures and various molecules, they have their description over here, and based on that, what is the LJ parameter for that, what is the potential pair coefficient, and so charge or type, molecular this is the molecular weight, and all these information for the single for a molecule and the atoms present in that molecule is given over here. And if we will go even lower to this, we will see, like you see the pyridinium, then alcohols OPLSA, and so ammonium. So various such molecular structure and their informations are available all here. And here also you see this is for the lithium cation, sodium cation, tetrafluorocarbonate anion. So including some neutral molecules, some cations, anions, all the information of there is also present over here. And this is for the chloride and bromide. Then if you will go here is the triflate and longer perfluoro alkane sulfonyl imide, so sulfonyl amide. So various such like molecular informations are present over here. If you have any such kind of structure which name is written over here, you don't need to generate the force field for them separately. You can simply have their structure file. Suppose you have the XYZ file or you have the ZMAT file, you just give this like this FF file name, like the ILFF inside the same file. Then you will have, you can generate your LAMMPS input files and for or any other input files from that. Okay, so I will show everything in this video. Just I am showing that what kind of information this il.ff contains. So first one, I think it was for the bonds, no, for the atoms, yeah. So the next thing is for the bond. So similarly it has been also written like what is the kind of bonds, harmonic or any constraint is present over that. So everything it has been written over here. Next is angles, and next it has also dihedrals. Yeah, and also some impropers also it has been given. So now what we will do, first I am going to download this il.ff file. Yeah, next what I want is, I just want to want to pack first some kind of molecule which can have a positive charge or a negative charge. So I will use this command. So for which they have taken this C4C1IM ZMAT and NT82 ZMAT file. So I am first going to check where is the C4C1IM ZMAT file. So this is C4C1IM ZMAT. So I am clicking here and let's download this one. And another one was this nt82.zmat. This one. So I am also going to download the same here. First, let me copy all those files to a single test directory. So what we have downloaded is this one, and also this C4, and another one is this NT. So all I am taking from this. Yeah, so taking from downloads to the desktop test folder. Yeah, so here we have 3 of our input files, and now what we will do here, we will simply follow the exact same command what it has been written here. So here is what we are going to use the FFTool. There we will pack 20 of the C4C1IM ZMAT like this structure and 20 of this NT82 structure, and we will pack them with this density of 3.0. So let's copy this command, and here I am simply pasting and hit enter. So what information we got here is the molecule file is this one C4C1IM and another one is nt82.zmat, and the species are this like C4C1IM plus and TF2N minus. That means this first species contain a positive charge and the second species contain a negative charge, and we have total number of molecule for 2020 for both of them, and this is the force field where it has been like read all the informations like il.ff we have specified, and also the number of atoms in the first molecule is 25 and in the second is 15, and next n bond and these bonds and the source, and here also if the charge specification is given as +1 and -1. Also I would like to show that what is this ZMAT and how this ILF file is given inside that. So you see that this is the standard ZMAT file for any kind of structure, and here is we have specified that il.ff file is present in the same directory and it will read all the informations regarding the same molecule from the il.ff, and exactly similar thing also we have for this nt82.zmat file. You see this is the information for the same molecule and here is the il.ff. Okay, so this way you have to specify. So now this part is done. So what next? So after performing this operation, we have generated with the Packmol input file. So here is this, you see this is the Packmol input file, and now our next part is to pack all these molecules inside the box. So for that we will use simply our Packmol. So Packmol, and let's pack this input file. Yeah, so the packing is done. Now we have this simbox.xyz with us. So now what I will do, before showing you the entire box, I will first show you both of these molecules. So first I am going to show you this c4.xyz using our VMD. Okay, so here I have opened, and okay, let me go to this. Yeah, so this is the molecule that we have taken, that this one is C4C1IM, and this molecule has a charge of +1 on it. Okay, and wait, I can change this color of the display background from black to white. Yeah, so you see, so this is the molecule, the first molecule that we have packed. Now let's open the XYZ file for the second molecule. So the second molecule is this one, NTF2. Let's load this also, and I'm going to delete this molecule, and here in the representation I will make CPK. Yeah, so now this is the molecule which is a cation rich molecule having a minus charge on it. Okay, so these are the two molecules that we have packed within the box of density 3.0. Okay, so next part is to open the, let's delete this. I am opening now the sim box, that is the simulation box that we got after packing. So this one is the box. Let me change the representation to CPK. Yeah, so you see that this is the box, and where we have packed this CC4 and this NTF2, or this molecule. One is with +1 charge, another one is with -1, and this is how we have packed our molecule. Now the next part is to create the input file. So use FFTool to build the input files for LAMMPS, DL poly or GROMAX containing the force field. So here first I am going to use the same command as given over here. So hitting simply the enter. So I got an issue. So what it is telling? So it is telling that you have not specified the box dimension and all. So for this what we can do, so instead of writing this, we can have the same command what we have used earlier. So this is the command that we have used during the packing, and here at the end of this we can simply give this LAMMPS. Now it will pack because we have given our box size will be maintained along with this density value. Now let's hit enter. Now you see we got our data in.lmp and data.lmp file. That means along with providing this row value, resolve the above issue. Okay, so now I am going to open the data file over here. So this is our data.lmp file that we got after this operation, and it has all the informations about the structures that we have packed over here. And this is the mass section, bonds, angle, dihedral, and then the atoms, like all the specification for the atoms, bonds, angles, everything has been given over here. Now you can also see that so some of these this molecule, like the atoms containing to this molecule is coming as a positive thing, like you see that C4C1IM plus, and atoms containing this TF2N containing one negative sign. So this is the specifiers for the atoms and like atoms which are present in the same molecule. And next is the bond section, then the angle section. Yeah, this is the angle section, and then the dihedral section will be also there. Yeah, this is the dihedral. Okay, so now we are done with the data file. Let me open the input file. So that is the in.lmp file. So we have this as our input file has been created by this FFTool, and also here we have our pair coefficients that has been generated by this FFTool. But here one thing we have seen that all these pair coefficients has been generated within the same group, like within the same atom, like nitrogen with nitrogen, carbon with carbon, hydrogen with hydrogen and all. So we can also see that if we want a mixed kind of mixing or like mixed kind of interaction, then how to do that, how to deal with that. So those things also we will see in our subsequent videos. So yeah, so this is the very standard and very general and very basic input file that has been created by this. You can modify this to do your calculation accordingly. So yeah, so this much what I just wanted to tell you today, because as we during our calculation we may deal with some neutral molecules, some positive, like some charged molecule as well. That's why I thought of making this video on the charged molecule. If you have any kind of cation, anion or any structure you have, you can also mix some neutral molecule along with the cation and anion molecule, then you can build your whole structure. And I hope this video may helps you to come up with this. And yeah, this much for today's session, and thank you all, and bye bye.